Welcome back to Osiadacz Family Farm. Today we are on a road trip to the farm that my mother's family first established over 100 years ago in Reardan, Washington. I am currently the 5th generation and my son Johnny is the 6th generation. I look forward to sharing this with you. We have now made it to Tram Road. This road was named after my family who first developed the farm here for us, which we currently harvest dryland wheat, barley, as well as canola and garbanzo beans. All right, behind me is our old machine shed as well as one of our wheat fields. And I am just so excited to be back and I can't wait to show you guys around. Okay, here is our old machine shed. I'm walking to our old hog house. Now we do have our farmer store equipment in the machine shed currently, and the hog house is currently not in use. It hasn't been in use for quite some time, but we do try to preserve these buildings and look forward to doing more work on these to make sure that they are staying standing in the years to come. All right, can't you imagine what life was like back when this old hog house was in use? I love the patina, I love everything about this, and most of all, I love thinking about how my family once utilized this structure. Okay, let's go inside our old hog house. If you're anything like me, you are filled with curiosity and love to check out these old structures. Now, as you can see, it's not being used for much of anything now, but who knows? One day we may come back and fill this building with something, maybe hogs again, maybe something else. Time will certainly tell. Okay, as we walk alongside our old hog house here, I just want to give you a shot of really the pride and joy of our family farm. And that is all of this beautiful wheat. This is dryland wheat here. As I stated earlier, we also harvest garbanzo beans, canola, and other dryland farming crops, but wheat really is the pride and joy. And isn't that beautiful? It's another shot of all of this beautiful dryland wheat. It's just stunning. Okay, well here comes Farmer Karsten. He is the farmer that farms our land as well as his homeland and many other farms in the community. He did go to school with my mom, so this is, like many other small towns, a place where a lot of times friends are more like family. Okay, I'm getting ready to go for a ride with our farmer. You know, every year I am so impressed with how big these machines are. Let's take a look. There we go. Okay, I am in one of the large combines with Farmer Karsten's. He is the farmer who plants and harvests and takes care of all of these fields. And we just had a short conversation, and what he shared with me was that generally speaking, these combines can harvest anywhere from 200 to 300 acres per day. Okay, we are continuing to go through the field, and one of the things that was shared with me that is extremely important isn't necessarily the amount of acreage, although impressive. What's most important is the amount of bushels. And what our farmer strives for is roughly 20,000 to 22,000 bushels per day. It is now time to say goodbye to our family farm here in Reardan, Washington. We are headed back home to Roslyn. I hope you enjoyed seeing just what we do here.